Hello there. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of freelancing? Look no further. In this comprehensive step-by-step guide, we will walk you through everything you need to know to kickstart your freelance career successfully. Join us as we dive deep into the intricacies of freelancing and equip you with the essential knowledge and skills required to thrive in this flexible and rewarding profession. Whether you're an aspiring writer, designer, developer, marketer, or any other creative professional, this video is tailored specifically to help beginners like you make a smooth transition into the world of freelancing. In this video, we'll cover all the crucial aspects of getting started as a freelancer. From laying the groundwork and identifying your niche to creating a strong portfolio, we'll guide you through each step to ensure you start your freelance journey on the right foot. Discover the key topics we'll explore. Understanding freelancing. Learn what freelancing is all about, the benefits it offers, and the skills that are in high demand in the freelance market. Finding your niche. Explore different freelance niches and identify the one that aligns with your passion and expertise. Discover how to leverage your unique strengths and skills to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Building your portfolio. Uncover the secrets to creating a captivating portfolio that showcases your abilities and convinces potential clients to choose you over the competition. We'll provide valuable tips on selecting the right samples and crafting an impactful presentation. Setting your rates. Navigate the complex world of freelance pricing and learn how to determine your worth. We'll guide you through the factors to consider when setting your rates, including market trends, your experience level, and the value you bring to clients. Finding clients. Discover effective strategies to find and attract clients as a freelancer. From leveraging online platforms and networking to tapping into your existing connections, we'll share actionable tips to help you secure your first clients and build a strong client base. Managing your projects. Learn how to effectively manage your freelance projects, from defining project scopes and setting realistic deadlines to communicating with clients and delivering high-quality work. We'll provide insights on building strong client relationships and exceeding their expectations. Mastering the business side. Gain a comprehensive understanding of the business aspects of freelancing, including invoicing, contracts, and managing your finances. We'll share best practices to ensure you maintain a professional approach and set yourself up for long-term success. No matter your background or expertise, this step-by-step guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence you need to launch your freelance career successfully. Don't miss out on this invaluable resource that will help you turn your freelancing dreams into a fulfilling reality. Join us now and unlock the door to a world of endless possibilities as a freelancer.